In a world hungry for real stories, this one from Maharashtra's Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar has touched millions of hearts. Meet 93-year-old Nivrutti Shinde and his wife Shantabai from Ambhora, Jahagir in Jalna district. Dressed in a humble white dhoti kurta and cap, they walked into a jewelry store not to ask for charity but for something precious, a Mangal Sutra. They were on their foot pilgrimage to Pandharpur for the Ashadi Ekadashi festival, a journey they have taken together year after year. Initially mistaken for seekers of alms, the store staff were stunned when Shinde quietly placed 1,120 rupees on the counter, expressing his wish to buy a Mangal Sutra for his beloved wife. Overwhelmed by the gesture of enduring love, the shop owner accepted only 20 rupees and gifted them the Mangal Sutra, a moment captured on video that went viral. Social media erupted in admiration. This is what true love looks like, a lifetime of commitment, no diamonds needed, and in an age of breakups, this is a masterclass in love. Villagers say the couple mostly relies on public goodwill, though they have a son. Their journey and love have now become a living symbol of simplicity, dignity, and timeless devotion.